This is zebra. Zebra. And what is this? This is T for tiger. What does the tiger say? And what is this? This is zebra. What is this? Zebra. And this S for snake. This is F for fish. The baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. You like it? Yes. Yes. And what is this? S for snake. Yes. Fish. You want to do it again? Baby shark. Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. Pause. और umbrella. Umbrella, yay! Umbrella वाली कौन सी पोएम में थी? When we use umbrella, when it rains. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Lazel wants to play. Rain, rain. How would it read? Rain, rain. Do it like this. Rain, rain, go away. And what is this? This. What do you want to see? This tiger. Where is monkey? Show me. Where is monkey? Where is monkey? Oh, here. Oh my God. And where is octopus? Say octopus. O for octopus. Octopus. Let's say octopus. No. Fish. This is kite. You want to do it again? Oh my God, you want to do it again? Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do do. Umbrella. Umbrella. When we use umbrella कब use करते हैं बाबू? Umbrella, show me your book. Are you finding the book? Okay, come. This pencil. Where are you going? He wants to write now. But don't write on the books. Never writes on the book.